This X1 was missing a reverse camera from standard, but not anymore. Welcome back, John Kleis Car Audio. This BMW X1 circa 2021 plate didn't have the most important option for the customer, which was a factory reverse camera. So naturally they're coming to us and we've put in nothing but the genuine reverse camera from BMW themselves. So without further ado, let's have a look at what the camera looks like on the back. So I open up the boot, I'm going to stop it early so you can see. This particular camera replaces the actual full grab handle here, and the camera fits in a position just here, nice and flush, barely noticeable from 20 foot behind the vehicle, but gives you an awesome view, which when we go inside the vehicle in a second, you'll see just how good that view is. So now we've got inside the BMW X1, let's power it on and show you what the image of the camera actually gives you on this factory iDrive screen. Now we can do aftermarket cameras, so if you have a vehicle where genuine cameras aren't actually compatible, we can also offer you that solution, but this car, factory was best. So the screen comes on, I'm going to put a foot on the brake and actually start it up. This is a hybrid, so we're not going to hear any engine in this one. And I'm going to select reverse on the box, and then we're going to get the view from behind us. Okay, so on this instance, you're going to get parking sensor overlay on the left, so you can see your parking sensors are fully operational front and rear, and then you're going to get the image of the camera on the right. Now these guidelines are what we call dynamic guidelines, so they will turn with the steering wheel, and you will also get obstacle markers that come up on the screen. Now you're slightly seeing green ones up here, which is picking up the low floor because our floor is undulating. Okay, and these obstacle markers will go yellow and red as items come up. So if you're reversing up to a wall, for example, you're going to get a red obstacle marker when you're within sort of like 2-3 feet away, for example. If you don't like them, the good thing about it, because it's all factory, I can go on the screen, I can turn off moving guidelines, I can turn on obstacle markers, and literally just have a simple reverse camera view. Now if you tow, this vehicle probably isn't going to be used for towing, but if you wanted to tow, you had an X5 for example that had towing capabilities and you had a reverse camera actually retrofitted, we can go to tow bar zoom, and now I've actually got a bird's eye view almost view of where the tow bar would be using this camera. Haven't changed anything, I've literally just gone to screen, gone to the factory settings and changed it to a view of the tow bar. Awesome little feature that you get on original reverse cameras. But what more can I say? That is it. That is a reverse camera added to an original BMW X1, and we can do most BMWs for factory genuine reverse cameras. So I'm going to finish this video here. Not much else to say. If you've got any questions, you can obviously contact us on our WhatsApp phone number, email, drop a comment, ask any questions you want. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And that's from now, John Kleis Car Audio and the team signing off. See you later.